Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Kekuk Tech. Today, we've got some exciting news for all you iOS users out there. If you're tired of waiting for a jailbreak to customize your device, look no further than Misaka Package Manager version 2.0.3. Stay tuned as we dive into the details. Misaka, the popular package manager for non-jailbroken devices, has just received a major update. Initially designed with the MacDirtyCow exploit in mind, Misaka worked like a charm on iOS 15.0 up to iOS 16.1.2. But guess what? The developers have been hard at work, and Misaka version 2 is here with a whole new trick up its sleeve. So, what's the big news? Misaka version 2.0.3 now utilizes the new KFD exploit, which means it's compatible with iOS 16.2 all the way up to iOS 16.5. and even iOS 16.6 Beta 1. That's right, you can now enjoy tweaking and theming your iOS device without the need for a jailbreak. With Misaka, you can easily discover and install packages like tweaks and theming apps. Give your device's user interface a fresh new look and feel, all without triggering any jailbreak detection in your favorite apps. The user interface is sleek and professional, and the package list keeps on growing. Now, you might be wondering, why choose Misaka over a traditional jailbreak? Well, for starters, Misaka is completely undetectable. You can use your apps without worrying about getting locked out. It's stable, reliable, and it opens up a world of possibilities. Let's talk about what's new in Misaka 2.0.3. The latest update, brought to you by developer at straight_tamago, comes with some exciting changes. First off, they've fixed a crash issue related to deleting icon cache. Now, Misaka supports binary editing, thanks to the hard work of @Robin. Developers can specify iOS version in the repository by build number. This adds more flexibility for customization. You'll notice support for passcode themes in KFD, although it's a bit unstable at the moment. But hey, give it a shot. Package color can now be specified separately for dark mode and light mode, enhancing your customization options. Language code is now displayed on the language selection screen, making navigation even easier. The file manager has received a significant update, allowing you to create, delete, and edit files with ease. You'll also find links to app bundle and data folders. And, they've introduced hider_toggle to config options, giving you more control over your tweaks. Path variables now offer disabler and enabler values, a handy feature for developers. Exciting stuff, right? But where can you get your hands on the Misaka IPA for iOS 16? Currently, the process involves joining the Misaka Discord community. Just follow the link in the description, and after a quick verification, you'll gain access to the IPA channel. Speaking of updates, Misaka v2.0.2 introduced support for even more devices using the KFD exploit on iOS 16.2 to iOS 16.6 Beta 1. Check out the list of supported devices. iPad mini 6th Gen, iPad Air 4th Gen, iPad Pro 11-inch 5th Gen, iPad Pro 12.9-inch 5th Gen, iPad Air 5th Gen, iPad 10th Gen, iPad Pro 11-inch 4th Gen, iPad Pro 12.9-inch 6th Gen. So, whether you have the latest iPad or an older model, Misaka's got you covered. And that's a wrap for today's update on Misaka Package Manager version 2.0.3. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting tech news, and join us in the comments if you have any questions. Until next time, stay tech savvy, and keep on customizing without boundaries.